Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Under Armour Flash earbuds to your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all we have to remember to charge these earbuds at least to the 50%, and after that we have to simply open the case. So we have to push on this side and they will just pops out. We have to remove both earbuds and just take a look on the indicators. One of them will start blinking after a few moments on the red and the blue, and it means that they will be visible to other devices. As you can see, the right one is blinking like that. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So we can simply open the Bluetooth settings on our device, click to pair new device, wait until they pop on the list, and then just click on them once to select, and after a few moments we will be successfully connected. Accept the pairing request. Okay, and as you can see right now we are connected. If you want to synchronize your earbuds, for example the left one is playing and the right one is not, you have to click and hold this Under Armour logo 3 times at the both earbuds. So how to make it? Just take a look, 1, 2 and 3, and they will be synchronized. As you can see, you will get this blue light and we are still connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.